Hi, welcome to my channel, Marifi, a simple life wife. So we just arrived from Taliban. So we have lunch, had lunch in Jollibee. To, hello, hello. Shana thought that she forgot to turn off the water, so we left her naman here 10. So my goodness, how many hours. So I'm going to the guava. Hi, hi, my dear. Hi, are you okay? Are you the one watching the house? Huh? Boris also right there. Hi, Boris. He called my cutie pie. Alishishinga masinga. Ka-cute in Tony mo. Uy, I love you. Uy, I love you. I love you. Thank you for taking care, watching the house. What happened to your eye, huh? Can I see your eye? Why it looks cloudy. Are you sad or what? You're sad? Why? You're hungry? I will give you food. Guapo. Asan mo, Boris? Are you okay? Huh? La, almost. My battery is almost dead. Hi. Ali Chiching. Hello. Ali Chiching, Ali Chiching, Ali Chiching. Ali Chiching, Ching, Ching. Guapo din. You're guapo also. Guapo din. You're also guapo. So I'm going to the guava here. I will check if there's more ripe. So, hala na a big one right there. That's ready. We'll eat that later. So, there's guava is full of fruits right there. Here, the lemongrass is growing back, and we will transfer that to other location. Ay, guava, guava. So this one is ready. I can eat it, but I will wash my hand. Hello, another flower. So guys, I think that's it for today. So it's another update from our life here in the province. And then I would like to say thank you so much to my very good friend from New Jersey, Mom Cici. Thank you so much, Mom, for the gift, Shannon's gift for her birthday, and also for me. Thank you so much. We have so much fun or enjoy together with Pastor Marine's family. We talk a lot, so we arrived there. I think 10:30 until we finish mga around 1 o'clock. So we talk and talk, and then another pastor arrived, Pastor Takatani and the family. So we have so much um, enjoyment, bonding, family bonding, for the other pastors. So God bless everyone, and see you in the next video. And God bless everyone. Bye, Boris. Bye bye. What happened? Ay, namatay na.